Ito na, nakarating na kami. Touchdown. 7:10 a.m. Mactan. Yes!
Maganda dito yung maglalagay ng hammock.
Na?
Hammock.
Oo. Kasi may puro lamok.
Puro lamok. Sagat ng lamok.
Kaya bukas may...
Baby, paradise. Gagamboy. Guys, eto na. Naririnig na namin yung falls. Una-una, ang daming paniking malalaki. Ayan na siya. Milky blue yung water. Milky blue. Parang may minerals. Okay. Ready? Attack! Oh my gulay! Taas nung dagat, ang ingay-ingay, ang lalakas nung wave. Ngayon, nag-low tide na siya, ang baba-baba niya. Let's see. May lighthouse, oh. Lighthouse. Where is it? Where is it? Ayun. Morning po. Yan, yun yung nilalakaran ko kagabi nung nag-emote ako sa scarf ko. Yan, mataas yung tubig dyan kagabi. Hindi ko naabangan yung green flash. Yung before a sunrise and before a sunset. Before sunrise and just before sunset, may green flash. Yun, hindi ko siya naabangan. Kasi maulap na maulap, hindi kita yung sun. Punta na kami sa may Butanding mamaya. Nag-breakfast kami ng maaga, gising kami ng 4:30. Kain kami ng 5. Alis na kami before 6. Yan, that's the whole resort. We are on our way to go see the whale shark. Daming tao.
Regulations of that you need to follow. during your wave sharking production. We are implementing these rules for home safety and for the protection of the wave shark as well. First, and the most important rule is you are not allowed to touch the wave shark. Second, no flash photography because wave sharks are sensitive to light. Third, in swimming, please observe 4 meters distance away from the whale shark. That's from the mountain down to its tail. And if you can see that the whale sharks are getting closer to you, don't panic. Just give them away and let them pass. They are harmless.
So, puno pa yung pila sa whale shark kasi tapos na pala siya ng up to 10 or 11 a.m. So, nagpalista lang kami. 3 hours pa kami mag-iintay. Kaya, punta muna kami sa isa pang waterfalls. Tumalog Waterfalls. Ayan. So, nakapila uli kami. I'll show you later the view. Shout out dun sa tour guide namin, kamukha ni Kuya Mark of Lucena City. Mamaya picturean ko siya. As in, kamukha talaga. Nasaan ba yun? Ayun si Kuya Mark. Hindi siya. Mamaya. Paglakad. Ito si Kuya Mark naglalakad.
Bukas yung lahat ay dry.
Nasaan ba?
Dryland. Dryland.
Where's Kuya Mark? Ito si Kuya Mark of Lucena. Kuya Mark of Cebu. O, diba? Ang bait-bait, ang sipag-sipag. Inalagaan niya kami. O. Guys, nakarating na kami. Nakamotor kasi, pababa. As in, mabilis siya. Hindi ako nakapag-video. Ito na yung Tumalog Waterfalls. Yan. Tapos, andun siya sa dulo yung main event. Yan. Ang daming opa dito, promise. Daming Koreans.
For today's video, we're here at Tumalog Falls. Ay, Tumalog Falls.
So beautiful. Kaway-kaway. Yan na.
Hanggang bewang lang. When she was just a girl. Hello. Hello.
YouTuber.
Philippines. Filipina. We are on a company outing. How about you guys?
How much?
How about you? Vacation?
Travel.
Travel. Japanese?
I'm your Korean.
Opa! Opa! 안녕하세요.
Ano yung sinasabi niya? We went there in
Sige, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Siya, video. Welcome, Poslog.
Yes. Saan tayo nakating sa Milong Island ngayon? Nasa likod kami ng truck. susunod na pupuntahan natin. Sumilong. May sandbar daw dyan. Yes. May snorkel doon. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. Yaw.
Go! mga Oo nga eh.
And clouds of white, the brightness gray, the dark sleepless night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Birds are burning their lights, the colors of a rainbow, so pretty in the sky. Are also on the faces of people going by as their prayers taking say how do you do?
Sala set. Inaano na lang nila.
Okay, this house was built on the 1600.